Hi everyone, I wanted to do a video that I've never done before, which is talking to you via camera like this. And the point of today's video is just a quick tip about how to encourage yourself to play music. I know it can be hard. Our lives are really busy, and I wanted to share with you some of the things that I do to encourage myself to play music. And the main thing is I remove any obstacles that I have that are going to get in my way of playing music. So the way that I do that is my piano lid is always open. The piano is in an area of the house where I'm likely to play it. My ukulele is always out in the open. It's always in tune and it's ready to play. My accordion, this little Weltmeister, is always here and it's ready to play. There are no, the straps are open on it. The straps are open. It's in tune, it's always ready to play. Right? Just to be able to get any musical ideas that I have into an instrument right away. Your circumstances will be different than mine, but I wanted to share a few thoughts. One, our instruments are precious, but at the same time they're not precious. I encourage you to leave your instrument out and open. It might mean that my kids play on the piano with sticky fingers. It might mean that my accordion, when my son runs and drops it, he might drop it, but the accordion is not in its case, and it means that I can play music whenever I want to. My guitar is out in the open. It'll get dusty, but again, it gets played, and I think that the point of our instruments is for them to get played. The same thing applies for anything you want to do in life, right? If you want to drink juice every day, make juice, you leave your juicer on the counter. You don't put it in the back of the pantry. If you want to lift weights or run on a treadmill, you don't put your treadmill in the back of the garage or in your basement. You put it out in front of the TV where you're likely gonna run on the treadmill. I like to think that playing music is more enjoyable than running on a treadmill. So again, I encourage you to leave your instruments in places where you're likely to encounter them. Whether it's a harmonica, a ukulele, a little recorder, or obviously the accordion. And try and fit them into your schedule. If you have 3 minutes in the morning while you're making oatmeal and you're just sitting there and waiting and checking your phone, just wear the accordion. So leave your accordion next to the stove. Whatever works for you. For me, it meant putting the accordion right next to the dining table where I sit often and putting the accordion and leaving the accordion lid open. It means putting another accordion, my white accordion, in my office. So if I'm waiting for a video to extract, or I'm waiting for a response for someone, or I'm sitting on a conference call, I'll mute myself and just have the accordion in my hands. Whatever circumstances you have in your life, try and make it so that your barrier to entry to your instrument is zero. Let me know if you have any tricks or life hacks to getting yourself to play something or to learn something new. That's what works for me. Like, subscribe, go to accordionlove.com if you want to learn how to play accordion. Thank you.